Today let's check out this super cheap DROS rechargeable LED torch. I don't know if that's a D. The power source is mains AC, 1500 mAh battery, light source 15 watt laser LED plus tube. I doubt it's 15 watt and surely it's not a laser, I'm telling you. This type of torch costs less than 150 rupees and readily available in the local market here. Plastic clamshell construction. This is the diffuser for the LED strip. The battery and the tiny little circuit board. Let's take a closer look at the PCB. It's very thin, all SMD components, double-sided but no components on the other side except the traces. This is a 3.6 ohm resistor in series with the LED strip and this 2.2 ohm resistor in series with the front LED. This 8205 chip is a dual MOSFET and this DW01 is a battery protection chip. The circuit seems to be an exact copy from a datasheet I found on the internet. The battery has no marking whatsoever. Mediocre soldering. A little rusty battery terminal. The battery is sitting at 3.98 volts. That's good. The voltage across the front LED is 2.98 volt. And the voltage across the LED strip is 3.12 volt. Now I'm going to measure the current. It's drawing 185 milliamp. The strip is drawing 230 milliamp. So the power consumption by the front LED is 2.98 volt times 0.185 amp or 0.551 watt. On the other hand, the power consumption by the sidebar LED is 3.12 volt times 0.23 amp or 0.717 watt. The total power consumption is around 1.3 watt, which is nowhere near the 15 watt advertised. The adapter has a single bicolor LED to show if it's charging or charged. The output is 4.22 volts. For a lithium-ion battery, that's close to the maximum charging voltage. This is the adapter circuit. I see no control IC, so it's a self-oscillating type. This is the isolation gap between high voltage and low voltage side. There is no input protection fuse or fusible resistor. Mains power just goes straight to the single diode. It's not even a full bridge rectifier. A 2.2 mega ohm jump starting resistor. Very common 13,001 transistor with solder blob at one leg. There is no interference capacitor between the primary and secondary side, although I see an unpopulated place for it. Let's check the charging current. 300 milliamp. That's acceptable.